Having this revolutionary technology in Starkville and being the first community to have it really puts us on the map for recruiting not only high-tech businesses, home-based businesses, and startup businesses, but it provides an element to the quality of life.
We were the first community in the state to offer free curbside recycling. We were the first community in the state to go smoke-free, and others have followed. And we were the first community in the state to launch a high-tech incubator, which of course has paid huge dividends for a growing private research class here in the city of Starkville. We are a community that prides ourselves on being on the leading edge.
I wouldn't be surprised at all if the connection all in and of itself attracted new talent to this area. It's literally like having a brand new interstate come smack dab through the middle of town. You have basically the infrastructure to move products and services more quickly.
You talk about the opportunity that brings for the over 1,000 research scientists that are living in Starkville. That's where you have a really high ceiling for the amount of human creativity and ingenuity that you are adding to a system that opens doors, and fiber to the home will certainly open doors.
A lot of our home-based businesses would be able to connect with their clients in a way that they would not have been able to prior to fiber being available. Starkville is teeming with possibilities, and this might simply be the catalyst that makes Starkville a breakout market.
We want the residents of Starkville, the students, the faculty and staff to tell C Spire why we need this first. We have an amazing opportunity to promote our community as one that is progressive and that wants this type of technology more than any other city in Mississippi.
It's going to change the game in ways that we've not even imagined yet. It's not going to be until we have the technology in someone's hands that we will even begin to explore the potential that we have as a community using that technology. That's really what I'm most excited about.